So you should be seeing the syllabus. Mag-review lang sa to sa syllabus real quick so that you will understand mga atong time frame and also the different assessment nga atong buhaton. Okay, so here you can see the topics that we will be discussing along the weeks. So we're currently, katong sa last week, I gave you katong module for compilation and interpretation. I hope nga inyo to siyang nabasa. Then we're currently at week number 3 and for week number 3, ang atong discussion is about syntax and semantics, bagus nor form, and lexical analysis. Next week, it would be about syntax analysis. After that, we will be discussing memory management, type systems and type checking, overview of semantics, lambda calculus, object-oriented programming, functional programming, logic programming. Okay, so I hope that's clear ang timeline na to for everyone. And then, for the course requirements, naatay kuan exercises and also programming activities because as you, of course, ang sa tong course na title, it's about programming languages. So therefore, this course would require you to program na yung mga programming activities. Na sila na apoy quizzes in most of the modules that you also have to answer. And then, wala tayong midterm exam. However, we will have a final exam. Then, katong programming, it will be by group. Mag-randomize ng gyapon ko kung kinsa ang members sa each group. So that, murag fair ang murag pag-choose kung kinsa ang members. Okay. So, I want you to kanang direct your attention here in sa grading system. Bantayan ninyo na tay learning targets nga term. Learning targets. So, kaning learning targets is just a set of goals that murag kailangan ninyo ma-accomplish. And then, ang akong mga quiz would be related to the learning targets. So, for example, sa Module 1, Module 1, katong akong gisan last week, ang iyahang learning target is C.1. So, katong questions na ko dito sa Module 1 is related to this. Then, karon for Module 2, wala siya quiz. For Module 3, it's this, S.1. And then for Module 4, ang learning target is S.2. So, mura na siya. Ang quizzes at the end of each module is related to a certain learning target. And then, ang mahitabo, ang pag-score niya is mura siya pass or fail. Dili siya ka ng murag 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you either get a satisfactory, you either get a satisfactory grade or unsatisfactory grade. Okay? Naara na siya dito sa end sa module kung saang kanang criteria para mo-consider nga satisfactory yung answers. For example, okay. Kaya siya, for example, kani. Kung condition dire, to gain a satisfactory grade in this learning target, you must be able to answer 2 items in problem number 1 correctly and all items in problem number 2 correctly. That's how you get a satisfactory grade for module 4. Okay. And then, ang submission niya I decided nga murag by batch ang yung pag-submit. so that dili mo magsigig internet kay yeah para murag one submission ra pod everything na. So that's why kato kung gichat sa atong GC ang submission for kaning C.1, S1, S2, and S3 would be on July 12. I know, June 12 ang iyong deadline. If ever nga dili mo makasubmit or ang inyong resulting nga grade kay unsatisfactory, you can retake the quiz again after 2 weeks. Okay, maghimo pa mo ko again o yung quiz. So after retaking, so hopefully nga correct na inyong answer ana. Makakuha na mo satisfactory after your retake, hopefully. And ideally. Okay. So, na questions about itong kuan, satisfactory and unsatisfactory na grading system. Okay. Um, Also, I'm planning nga murag i-reduce ni ang questions. So, I might remove kani siya. I might remove this. I will still decide later or tonight. But okay. Aside ana, we will also have kaning challenge problems. Kaning challenge problems mo na ito siya kung giingon nga programming activity ninyo. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, five, and six. So it looks like there are six challenge problems, I guess. So sa challenge problems, you can submit every week if you want sa inyong code. So basically, isa ka problem na ipasolve sa inyo ha. And then, yeah, you can code it depending sa requirements kaya na may uban diri nga mag-need siya is certain nga programming language para inyong ma-code. After ana kay it will also have a certain grade para niya ha. So ang sa challenge problem you have excellent, meets expectations, revision needed, and not assessed. So if ang imong code sa challenge problem kay murag shaky siya, dili siya magdaduhan or gamay kay grado, then pwede nimo siya utrohon, pwede nimo siya i-revise. However, if okay ang code na solve niya ang problem, then it will be given a grade of either meets expectations or excellent. Okay. So, kaning kuan katong sa learning targets and challenge problems, um i-combine din na siya kung pila ka buok tanan ng imong um na-accomplish. So, to get a grade of 1 sa exercises, you have to answer 12 ka-satisfactory na learning targets, and then 6 ka meets expectations nga challenge problem, including 3 excellent nga remarks. Kung gusto ka maka 1.5 sa exercises, then you need to have 10 satisfactory na learning targets, 5 meets expectations nga challenge problems, with 3 excellent marks, so and so forth. So please read lang kani siya ang syllabus after the class so that um, mas ma-feel pa ninyo ang grading system. So after anak kay kato siya ko mention, we will have a final exam. It will compose 30% of your total grade. Any other questions? or clarifications about the grading system kung naigalibugan. So mato siya ha, ang for the learning targets, na sila certain nga deadline, but by bulk ang pag-submit. And then if ever nga wala ka nakasubmit or unsatisfactory ang inyong grade, then you can resubmit. You can retake after 2 weeks. I will create a new set of questions which you can retake after 2 weeks. And then I will grade them again. For challenge problems, pwede ra ka makasubmit every week sa imong code na submission. And then, yeah, just submit as many as you want every week. So, kesa man lang nga mag-cram na ka at the end of the semester. So, it's also a good thing para marag ma-exercise ang inyong programming or coding na skills. So, I hope that everyone can code because third year, second sem naman, and then I think that next semester I'm not sure, but I think next semester mag-internship na mo. So, yeah, if mag-internship mo, then of course, your internship would require you to code. So, you need to have a device or something. Or for now, maski ka class ng ta, pwede naman mo sa phone maka-code na may mga online nga compiler or interpreters sa different languages nga inyong makita online. So I hope that you will utilize that one. And then here at the bottom, I have my references, books, and then some websites na akong gi-refer for the lectures. Okay.